Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode we will be doing some garden product review. So I happened to buy a garden product from Amazon, and I must tell you that such online shopping platforms have become such an integral part of our lives today. And I'm definitely not discounting the traditional brick and mortar shops, but you find a wide variety of garden products or any products for that matter online. The only problem is that the delivery is a little late. But whenever I shop for my garden products, I always look at both the brick and mortar as well as such online shopping platforms. So here we are revealing what the product is. So this is a garden water hose regulator. So this is used to regulate the flow of water in the garden. So as you all know that water is very precious, it is a natural resource that is quite scarce in a lot of other places, and we need to be very smart and we need to be very careful in using this precious resource. So this tool definitely enables us to control the water usage by not wasting it too much while watering your plants. Another thing that this product would do is that it has different settings. So if you want to create humidity around your plants, you can do so. If you want to rinse your plant thoroughly with water because there's a lot of dust accumulated on the leaves, you can do so because of these different settings. So there are these different settings. For example, one is a shower, then we have soaker, jet, angle, fan, flat, cone, mist, etc. So all these settings can be used to regulate water as well as to kind of use the water more economically and at the same time in the right proportion. So you see this particular device can also be used for other purposes like washing your vehicles, your cars, your bikes, etc. So this comes with a rubber padding which is very comfortable on the hand, and it does not just come with plastic, so it's quite comfortable on the hand and you don't really have to get a cramp, etc. And this is the nozzle from where you need to put in the pipe, and the water will be regulated from there on. So in the later parts of this video I will be demonstrating on how to use this product effectively in your garden. So there's no rocket science in this. It is very simple to use, and I will be demonstrating, or I will be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to use this effectively in your garden. So this is the first mode that we will be talking about. This is the shower mode, wherein you can rinse the plant entirely, and this is one of the most common modes that a lot of gardeners use in their garden while watering their plants. But make sure that you use this mode only in the morning, because if you use it in the evening, then what will happen is that the water will stay on the plant and it might get affected by fungal infection. So the next mode that we have is the soaker mode. This is just a normal mode wherein even a normal hose would give out that kind of a water flow. So you can use this when you have very little plants. The next one is the jet mode. You can use that to get rid of aphids and mealybugs. This is the angle mode, where the water flows at an angle. Next we have the fan mode. The water flows at greater distances with a lot of force. Next we have the flat mode, somewhat similar to the fan mode. I don't see this any different from the fan mode. Then cone, because it's called cone because you can see at the beginning of the jet you see a small cone shape. And then this is one of the best modes, that is the mist mode, where you can create a lot of humidity with the help of this mode. You can water your orchids as well with this mode, but make sure that you do it in the morning and do not let the water settle the whole day. Now let us see what this lock that you see here is for. So if at all you do not want to keep pressing the handle, what you can do is you can just lock the system here and the water will remain, and there wouldn't be any undue stress on your hand or your thumb. Next we have this regulator knob. You can regulate the flow of water. If you turn it anti-clockwise, the water flow will stop. If you turn it clockwise, then the water flow will resume. So at this point, I just want to reiterate that water is a very precious resource for all of humankind, and the more we save it, the more we use it effectively and economically, the more beneficial it would be for all of us. Thank you for watching Urbanscape Bangalore, and if you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Until then, goodbye.